a gentle power that is soft and clear. Your love flows through me like a rising tide, and I feel forever standing by your side. Every word you speak, every look you give, reminds me of the sweetest way to live. This love is more than just a passing sound. It's the kind of joy that keeps me grounded. It's an endless love vibration, rising through my soul. Endless love vibration, making me whole. Wave after wave, heart after heart. Endless love vibration, never apart. Never apart. Through every season, through every day, your tender love lights up my way. No fear can hold me, no doubt can stay, when your sweet love is here to stay. I never knew a love could feel so deep, like a precious promise I was meant to keep. And when the world gets loud and wild, your love brings back my heart and smile. It's an endless love vibration, rising through my soul. Endless love vibration, making me whole. Wave after wave, heart after heart. Endless love vibration, never apart. Never apart. And if the stars should fall, we'll still stand strong. Our love will sing its timeless song. No end, no fade, no loss, no fear. This love vibration keeps us near.